Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we show the amazing content across the Europe. This time we take you to Nice, which is one of the most famous city of France. Before we start, in case you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to give the thumbs up. As you know, we are an Indian couple living in the Netherlands. So we will start our journey from the beautiful city of Amsterdam. French Riviera is the Mediterranean coastline of the southeast corner of France. This area is world famous for its beaches, views, picture-perfect water, yachts, and as a playground for the wealthy. It mainly consists of Saint Tropez, Cannes, which is famous for International Film Festival, Nice, and beautiful city of Monaco. So fasten your seatbelts and let's take the flight from Amsterdam to Nice. Nice Airport is located on seafront and offers spectacular views on landing or takeoff. After landing, first thing we wanted to do was to visit Castle Hill to see and find out what the fuzz is all about. Once you get on the top, you will be mesmerized by the panoramic views of Nice Boardwalk, Pebbly Beach, Old Town, and of course the city vibrant and carried architecture. From top of Castle Hill, you will notice a fountain one level below, and a lot of people gather there as well. After spending some time here, we decided to move towards the old town of Nice. The old town of Nice is a delightful maze of narrow streets, full of lively restaurants, galleries, and shops. Take the opportunity to sit down in any of the cafes, take a coffee, and watch the day away. In Old Town, Italian ice cream is a must-have on a hot and sunny day. Also, you will notice that the old town of Nice looks more like an Italian town than French. Based on your preference and time you have, you can decide either to take an open bus, tram, or walk to explore the place. In case you have kids or the kid in you is still alive, don't miss to enjoy the fountain at Promenade du Pilon. One of the other major attractions is Promenade des Anglais, which means the walkway of the English. You can simply sit back here on the pebbly beach and notice the planes flying every minute. Time flies as you walk and sit on this beach. Also, don't forget to keep your water shoes on while walking on this beach. promenade even looks beautiful in the night. At night, while strolling in the streets, you can enjoy the nice music. The city of Nice never sleeps during summertime and looks magical at night. We believe you enjoyed visiting Nice with us and hope to see you for the next one.